it again.
I don't know how to do it.
We're such losers. Recording a video that we made.
I don't know how. I can't remember how I did it though. See, I didn't do it right. Okay, let me try it again.
Nice. Sound effects Steven over here.
Fireworks. Go ahead. Kill him. Why are you farting?
Sorry.
Huh? That's Kill. She farted. I'm playing about it. That's all we got yelled at.
Miss Shirley, I didn't do that.
Yeah, you lied. You said I'm sorry.
Oh no, make Dr. Pepper sing. You've seen those commercials, right?
What? I'm Johnny Knoxville.
No, those
I'm
commercials.
push-
Those commercials when you take a sip. Every time you take a sip, the music changes. You seen that commercial? Dr. Pepper commercial. When you open it up, it plays music.
It's like.
Nice timing. Now it's gonna change. Put on the different song. Go to my profile next.
Yeah, you can do the good part.
I can ride my bike with no handlebars, no handlebars, no handlebars. I can ride my bike with...
Now go to somebody else's profile.
That's some good Dr. Pepper.
Susie's profile. This is her singing, actually.
Don't quit your day job. Do not quit your day job, please. They don't have one.
So long, it's been deleted by Harvest.
Are you still recording?
Yeah. I mean, I don't have that else better to do. Block profile. I have like a lot of battery.
Oh, that's the same one I just went to.
Yeah. Don't go to my profile. My song has probably been deleted by the artist. What song is that? Wait, I haven't been on there like forever.
Pregnant?
Huh?
You said pregnant.
Pregnant. The pregame. No, wait, no, go up. Go see it. Yeah, it's pregame. I haven't been on there like a month. Go Tigers.
Okay, this ain't working. I quit.
Well, I'm out of battery almost anyway.
Well, good, because I'm about to throw up if I drink another shit.
Goodbye, Kim. Goodbye, Steven. Goodbye, Steven. Goodbye, Steven.